Sorry guys, so I'm in here and I'm taking these windows out. I'm gonna pour 15 all in here. But this window is hard to roll, guys, so I'm looking and it's got all of this caked up grease on here. So I want to try to come in on both sides and get all this caked up grease out of here. Cause there's no use to me doing all this work, and this car got roll up windows. I was gonna try to change them over to they got standard windows. I was gonna try to change them over to power windows, guys, but I'm just figuring how this parts is to get these days, and expensive as it's getting to fix all these cars, that it's really not worth me changing these over. So I'm quite sure Buick Bob probably have what I need to switch it over, because Electra, all of that is probably the same thing. But to me, guys, it's really not worth trying to change this over. So I'm gonna see if me cleaning all of this stuff off helps this window roll up and down, and then I put new grease in here. You can hear it crunching in there, guys. So it's rolling a lot better than what it was, guys. It wasn't rolling this good before. You see it's still chunks coming out of there. But yeah, that's rolling good now. So it's just canked up grease on there, guys. So in here, I'm quite sure I might have to loosen this up and drop this down to get closer. I don't know if I'm gonna just totally take the track out, but if I could drop this down enough to get in between and get closer to this crank here. And these doors, man, remember I used to pick these doors up, fling them around. Yeah, I tell you. Yeah, it's not happening the easiest these days. Alright, so I might have to just drop this down. Oh, that might be enough for me to, yeah, that's enough for me to get in here. And clean all of this stuff off of this crank, guys. So let me tighten it back up. Oh yeah, that's rolling a lot better than what it was, guys. Just me cleaning. Yeah. It would not roll like that before, guys. So I'm still getting a little stuff in there. Yes, sir. It's a lot better. It's a lot better, guys. Alright guys, it's just something to pay attention to right there. All of that stuff that was canked up on here. It's rolling a lot better. Then once I grease it up, it's gonna be alright. Alright. And you see a steady stuff coming off of here. That's why I'm steady trying to just roll it up and down a few times. Let that brake cleaner get in there. You gotta remember that brake cleaner is highly flammable, guys. Let that brake cleaner get in there and really loosen this stuff up, guys. All right, so it's done.